Hi, my name is Claire Barrett and I'm Marketing Coordinator here at Phoenix Audio Technologies, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up a Zoom room for a medium to large size conference room. The products that we'll be using for this Zoom room are going to be our Phoenix Audio Technologies Stingray DSP mixer, our Sennheiser Team Connect ceiling array, an Intel NUC PC, a keyboard, a mouse, a C2G ceiling speaker, an iPad with a Heckler design console, and an Aver 520 USB camera. So first you want to connect your Intel NUC PC to a power source. Then you want to connect your Intel NUC to your display using an HDMI cable. Then you want to connect your PC to an existing network using an Ethernet cable. Then you want to get out your Stingray and connect it to the included power supply. After we've connected our Stingray to our power supply, then we want to take our Sennheiser Team Connect ceiling array and lay it flat on the table. There will be 3 connections we need to make. The first connection will be the control cable. Typically it's connected to a control unit, however in this case it is not required, but it must remain connected in order for the Sennheiser Team Connect ceiling microphone to work. Then you want to connect the audio out to the Stingray mic and line inputs. When connecting the audio out to the Stingray, one side of the cable needs to be unscrewed so that the 3 prongs, plus, minus, and ground, can connect to the Stingray. Then connect the power cable to your Sennheiser ceiling mic. Now you want to take your speaker wire and connect the plus and minus to the Stingray's built-in amplifier. Once that's connected, you want to power on your Stingray. Now we're going to use the front panel of our Stingray to configure it to a line mixer. Press Enter to arrive at the main menu. From there, click the down arrow to get to the second option, Automatic Mixer Selection. Then click the down arrow again and select Mix Line Input. Now we connect our Aver camera to power using the included power supply and the USB to our PC. Now it's time to turn on the PC and the pre-installed Zoom application will open automatically. Now we want to connect our iPad to power with our lightning cable. Now that we've turned on our iPad, we want to connect it to the same network as our Intel NUC PC. Then you're going to want to navigate to the App Store and download the Zoom application onto your iPad. Then we're going to open the Zoom application. To pair the Zoom application on the PC and the iPad, use the code displayed on the monitor. Then in Zoom, go to Settings and choose your microphone, camera, and speakers. And once that's all complete, your Zoom room's ready to go. For more information on Phoenix Audio Bundles, click the link in the description. And thanks for watching.